Hey guys, Daniel Pope here from Helpful Place, and I just wanted to take a minute today to show you our high converting dentist funnel. You know, if you're in the healthcare niche, doctors, chiropractors, massage, anything like that, then you know how hard it is to find those high converting offers and high converting funnels and high converting ads. I mean, it's really hard because it's so oversaturated. Everybody sees it, so you've got to be on top of your game. So this is what we've used to bring in leads, qualified leads, every day for dentists and chiropractors. So let's go ahead and hop in. So this is the first page, the landing page, and it's learn how to get a Hollywood smile in 5 easy steps. Nobody wants to read your 40-page report on how they can get a better smile through lemon juice and baking soda. No, forget that. 5 easy steps. It's digestible. People can read it in one sitting. They enter their name, they enter their email address, they enter their phone number. That's optional. You can see it split tested over there, over there. You can see it split tested over there and over there. And then they say, send me my checklist. So down below it has a little bit about some testimonials. Of course, you can take that out if need be. I've always found that simple works better. Simple converts. So you can split test it against, including the testimonials, or you don't have to if you don't want to. But you can also put your Facebook page likes, review code right there, or you can put any other embeddable script which shows, how many times people have downloaded it, how many times people have visited the page, things like that. So the next page they go to is your free checklist is on its way, but wait, there's more. So how about we get you your dream smile with a free smile consultation? So now they've got their guide, they maybe have read through it, and now they're saying, okay, but how do I get a wider smile? How do I get that perfect Hollywood smile? Well, don't miss out. Click here to request your free consultation. You can change this up to whatever option works best for your client, but this has worked well for us. Bring in your smile, we'll make it shine. The perfect Hollywood smile is only one step away. So they go ahead and click to request their consultation, see real results from real people. They offer a little urgency right there. Once our schedule is fully booked, this free offer will no longer be available. Look, it's got a countdown timer so people aren't just sitting there for 40 minutes, just, what do I do? No, they have a purpose, they have a plan, they can opt in. So scroll down the page and you can add in some reviews. Make sure to put in real patients. There's nothing worse than having a fake review. People can sniff out fake stock photos. Don't be that guy. So you have some copy. Yes, book me in, another button that takes them up top. Don't take our word for it. Add in your Facebook reviews. Once again, people love social proof. They don't want to see that you have 1 follower and a 1-star review. No. If you have a client like that, go back to square one. Rethink it, because you need to build up something before you can have that. Once again, I'm not a proponent of putting in fake social proof, so don't go in there and start editing that 1-star review to be 5 stars and adding in all your fake followers from overseas and third world countries. Don't do it. It's just going to be a headache. So add in some pictures of the office, list insurance accepted or pics of insurance company logos if that's necessary, and then put the doctor's bio or the chiropractor's bio or whatever, the specialist's bio. All right, scroll down the page, and this is where it leads it to. Full name, email, phone, put office hours here, preferred date, message, boom, boom, boom. You can also include a booking calendar. I know some of you are already using Schedule Once or Calendly. Use what's working for you. Click to request your consultation, questions, call, put phone number. People like to have a way to contact. So after they request that consultation, they're taken over here. Thank you for booking a consultation. Here is our limited special offer as a thank you. And this can be anything you want. Maybe it's a free pain and wellness exam. Maybe it's a teeth whitening in chair for $700 as opposed to $1,000. I don't know. I don't care. Whatever it is, make it lucrative, but also make it worthwhile. All right, you see claim 1, boom, boom, boom. Experience a new level of dental care. Experience a new level of chiropractic care. Experience a new level of massage therapy in city name. We're here in Memphis, so of course we would change it to Memphis. All right, once again, put your Facebook review code right there. People love social proof. And then put examples and testimonials right there. All right, put the two different versions. This is where we had the in-chair version or the take-home kit. The take-home kit was 50% less than the in-chair version, but it still did almost exactly the same job. Once again, put the health insurance forms right there, or the company logos, anything that is required. And then you have your offer technicals right there. Percentage off on this offer just today. Look, this teeth whitening solution is the best. You need it. You can either get in-chair or take home, but you need it today. All right, so they book it. You can also include a form where they pay for it, or you can also include schedule once, or Calendly has payment options too. Guys, don't overcomplicate it. Just keep it simple. After they book, you're sent to this page. Thank you for signing up. You're all set. Put a call to action to call there or call the office if need be. You can also have them email, things like that. Guys, listen, the biggest thing is to not overcomplicate it. So many people are saying, well, I've tried this offer and, you know, a pain and wellness. And test, and test again. And see what's working for you, because it's not going to be working the same 500 miles away in another state. Because everybody has their own way of doing things, and you just got to find the different patterns right there that connect, and you'll find the winning offer. And once you get the winning funnel, then you'll have a client that wins every time. So now that you've seen the funnel, I'm actually going to give it to you for free. And you may be saying, what, that's crazy, for free? Yes, for free. So not only will you get this funnel, but I'm also going to throw in some bonus offers for you today, because what's a good funnel without great ads, and what are great ads and a good funnel without a great follow-up sequence? So I'm going to actually give you the ad copy and email sequence that we've used right here for our clients. Boom, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. And also the ad templates. So you can put them in Facebook. They're tried and true in Facebook as of the beginning of 2018. So I know it's a few months in now, but I'm also going to give you the same lead magnet. And you're saying, whoa, Daniel, this is so much stuff. And I know it's so much stuff, but I felt generous today. So I'll give you that lead magnet. Let me see if I can pull it up here real quick. All right, here it is. 5 steps to a Hollywood smile. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So guys, go ahead and click the link right down below, and I'm going to give you the link to actually get this same funnel with the same ads, same emails, same lead magnet. I know it's all the same and it works. Just try it. Just test. Don't overcomplicate it, and enjoy.